How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Troyce here, and today I'm going to show you how to make keto blueberry muffins from scratch. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, anybody you want. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. All right, I'm going to show you how to make these right now.
How long can this go on? From now on, I want you to put an equal amount of blueberries in each muffin. An equal amount of blueberries in each muffin.
You know how long that's going to take?
I don't care how long it takes. Put an equal amount in each muffin.
All right, let's start off with the dry ingredients first. 1 cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of Lakanto powdered monk fruit sweetener, 1 tablespoon of arrowroot starch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And mix until combined. All right, now to add the wet ingredients. 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened almond milk, and 15 drops of liquid stevia. And mix until combined. Alright, the batter has been mixed thoroughly. Now to add the blueberries. We have 1/2 cup of frozen blueberries. And just mix very gently into the batter. We're going to try to get an equal amount of blueberries in each muffin. Now to transfer the blueberry muffins onto a baking pan. Now to pop these into the oven. I'm going to let them cool for about 30 minutes, and then we're going to take a taste test. All right, it's been about a half hour. I can't wait to try these keto blueberry muffins. They've been cooling off, and I've been very patient. Robert Deniro would be very happy with the placement of the blueberries. There is an equal amount of blueberries in each muffin. Take a look. See for yourself. Keto blueberry muffins. Wow, these look great. Absolutely incredible. All right, we're going to take a taste. Absolutely delicious. Look at those blueberries. This would taste good if you put a little bit of butter in between. You cut it in half and put a little butter in the middle. These would be awesome. Only 3 net carbs per muffin. You can't go wrong, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out a few of my other videos I will recommend at the end of this video. Have a great day. Matt Troyce signing out.